Hi, it's Dave from Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Want to make a spicy Asian dish that your whole family's going to love? Join me today on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Hello to all my Fox Hallow fam. I'm Dave and welcome to Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Today we're going to make spicy peanut noodles. They're quick and they're easy, a little bit of spice to them. It's a great Asian dish your whole family is going to love. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is cut up some green onions. We're going to slice them really nice. Get rid of the stems there. And we're just going to slice these really nice. Not a lot of prep work involved in this recipe. So we're going to go ahead and do that ahead of time. Alright, that looks good. We're going to set these aside and move on. Next, I have about 3/4 of a cup of honey roasted peanuts, and we're going to chop these up rather coarsely. I don't want to put them in the food processor because I'm afraid that'll chop them up a little too finely. We just want to break them up a little bit. So I'll take my sharp chef's knife and we'll just go through them here, chop them up. Alright, that's looking pretty good. And we'll use these as a garnish later.
Alright, Dave, what do we got going here?
Okay, we're going to make the sauce for our peanut noodles. I'm going to start with 1/4 cup of peanut butter.
Okay. Now, can you use any type of peanut butter, or does it have to be?
A creamy peanut butter. You want something creamy. We are using honey roast, but you can use anything.
Okay.
Any kind of creamy peanut butter. Okay, I'll stick that in there. Then to that we're going to add 3 tablespoons of chili crisp. You're probably not familiar with chili crisp. It is a Asian hot sauce with a lot of little crispy bits in it,
Okay.
as you can see. Okay, found normally in the Asian aisle of your grocery store. And to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil.
Okay.
As opposed to just soybean oil or something like that. It has a bold flavor to it.
Okay.
And then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar.
Okay.
Have that because I normally use it on sushi. Makes the sushi taste great.
Yes.
And then 1 tablespoon of sugar. And just a little bit of ground ginger. I'm using 1/8 of a teaspoon. Just a little bit there.
Okay.
And then all we're going to do is we're going to whisk this together to break up the peanut butter. It will take a little bit of stirring to get this peanut butter totally emulsified into the sauce. But we're going to get it going here. There you go. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
There you go. And that is the sauce for our noodles.
Okay, sounds great.
Alright, so I've got 6 cups of water boiling in my pot here. To that I'm going to add 4 packs of instant ramen noodles. You can use fresh ramen if you have it, or you can make it. You can also use any Asian noodle, it doesn't matter. Or even, to be honest, you could use spaghetti and it would still work. Just whatever noodles you want to make. I'm making the ramen for this particular episode. We're going to let this boil until the ramen is cooked, and then we're going to do something else. I'll show you in a minute. Alright, my noodles are done cooking. Instant ramen only takes a couple of minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to skim off about 2 cups of the pasta water because we're going to drain our noodles, and I may need it for later when I make the sauce and the noodles together. So this is like the next step. We take out about 2 cups of our noodle water. and set it aside, just in case we need it. Okay, and that's that. I'm going to take these up and drain them, and then we're going to move back to our work table. And finally, we're going to take the noodles that we just strained out and put them in our sauce. And get these all worked in here into that sauce. Smells good already. You can tell right away we're going to need some of that pasta water. So let me get a little bit. And we're going to pour this right in there a little bit at a time, just to give it a little more liquidity. And just keep moving this all through here. Get the little bits from the chili crisp all mixed in. Get a little more of the pasta water. And I think we are good. We're ready to go. And now for the best part, the taste test. Let me see if I can get a little forkful of noodles here. They're long, so it takes a little bit. Those are really good. Just the right amount of Asian spices. You guys are going to love it. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you all for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, good times and good food only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. We'll see you soon.
If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.